Hey, what's up guys? Back with another keyboard. This is the MK31 65% mechanical keyboard. On Amazon it says it's from ZU Lang, but the box and keyboard both say Magic Refiner. Anyway, fun fact, my first mechanical keyboard was a Magic Refiner, and for the price they have some good stuff. I got this for about $60, and you can check my Amazon storefront if you're interested. But I bought it in the last hour to ensure delivery on the weekend. So I kind of looked it over and I kind of didn't, but I was really surprised to get this keyboard and the cable for $60. It sounds different and more premium with the keycaps and the linear white switches. The clear case and keycaps are really gorgeous and the lighting is excellent. It has pretty much all of the basic lighting options.